Imagine a world where your Power BI runs at peak efficiency, your data is secure, and every decision is data-driven with confidence. That's what our Power BI Health Metrics delivers. Our Power BI Health Metrics delivers peak performance, security, and actionable insights. With our key metrics, user adoption, data protection, and security cost optimization, and report maintenance, you can maximize your Power BI performance. With our advanced metrics for monitoring users and data, accessing detailed reports is as simple as a click. You can effortlessly track key insights. Starting with corporate workspace count, you can easily manage and organize workspaces for better collaboration. Orphan workspaces help clean up unused spaces, ensuring an efficient and organized environment. The data protection checklist safeguards sensitive information, while reports exported and manual files prevent data leaks and errors. Regular data source reviews, gateway checks, and mobile reports ensure accuracy and accessibility, while monitoring report sharing and inactive users metrics help manage resources and data governance. Take annual license savings, for example. By optimizing your software licenses, you can reduce operational costs. If your organization has 80 inactive users, you could save up to $13,440 annually just by eliminating unused licenses. Regular report cleanup ensures your system remains efficient and clutter-free. Monitoring active personal reports keeps track of user engagement, ensuring reports are relevant and actively used. Beyond that, we offer many other measures waiting for you to explore. Moreover, our Power BI Health Metrics let you explore specific periods by clicking on the trend line or adjusting the slider to set your date range. This gives you flexible control to view the exact data you need. Power BI Health Metrics keep your data running smoothly and securely. At TechnologyQ, we provide the tools to optimize your BI systems for success.